Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing system interference. Close heavy apps and pause backups so CPU and disk are free. Next, open OBS and choose Game Capture to reduce overhead. Select 60 FPS only if your GPU handles it, otherwise pick 30. Once done, switch output mode to simple and lower the recording bitrate to about 10, 000 to 15, 000 for full HD. This cuts CPU and disk strain immediately while keeping acceptable quality for gameplay recordings. Now optimize encoding so your GPU does the heavy lifting. Choose NVENC or AMD hardware encoder in OBS to offload tasks from the CPU. This reduces stutter during intense scenes. If you must use X264, set the CPU preset to VeriFast or faster to balance quality versus performance. Also, scale the base resolution to 3/4 or record at 720p when frame drops persist. Doing so reduces GPU render time while preserving smoother frame pace. Finish by raising OBS process priority to above normal so the OS favors recording threads. Make sure you don't starve the game, so monitor after changes. Record short clips and watch Task Manager for CPU, GPU, and disk spikes to confirm which resource is limited. If stuttering continues, update GPU drivers, remove heavy sources or overlays one at a time, and switch capture modes. This isolates the culprit. If nothing helps, reboot and retry, because driver or memory leaks sometimes require a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.